Today we want to give you an update in our WordPress WhatsApp plugin, just to give you some new features that you may not see, or maybe you have not used, or maybe, I don't know, maybe you need to update or move from another plugin to use them. This is, well, what we have here is the typical WhatsApp plugin for your website that helps with sales, support, everything. So now you can add a banner here, you can add a message for to start the WhatsApp, you can add agents per language. So those are features that you may are interested. Well, of course, our plugin is completely white label in the free version. This is very important because we don't charge for this plugin. So this plugin is for free, and everything we are going to show you is in the free version. So you don't need to pay for anything that we are going to show you. So first, let's go to, well, as we said, white label is by default. So you will have a clean on your own plugin for your website. Our brand is not going to take over your website. Our brand is not going to show or pop up in your widget. We don't have links to our website in your widget. This is your widget for your website. So we think that's important, and we want to keep it that way. But so we want to give you this for free. So maybe you can help us with some donation or something like that. That is going to help us continue working. But we want to give you a free white label plugin by default. So this is step one, free white label WordPress WhatsApp plugin. Second is you can have unlimited agents, and you can have agents per language. The same, free, included in the free version. So you can add an agent, and you can define the language of that agent. That means if I go to Spanish, I see one agent. If I go to English, I see another agent. So this is something you have included. That's something you can do. The agent, well, of course, you can add the information of the agent. You can add an icon or profile, photo, whatever you need to use. And you can take the URL from the website, from the page the user is sending the message. This is very helpful because you are going to know where they come from. So this is very important, very useful. You can add it, and that's it. So for example, well, this is, let's go to English, 1 second. It's here. So you can say something like, hi, I was visiting that and I want more information. So you can have something like that, and that's going to help you understand where the user is having a question, or what is he looking at, whatever, maybe a product page, maybe information page, can be anything. So this is going to help you understand where the user is coming from. Okay, this is very easy to set up, very easy to use. Second, let's go to appearance. Here you can add a banner to your WhatsApp widget. What that means is, here now you can add an image with a link. I mean, this is a full HTML content you can use as you want. This is going to pop up here, and this is we think this is the easiest way to add banners to your website everywhere, because the widget is everywhere. This is going to pop up everywhere. So this is like super easy to set up, super helpful, super convenient for mobile users. I mean, I think you should use it just for that feature. I mean, this is something that is going to help you add more, promotions, coupons, banners, events, anything to your website from one place. So this is super easy to use, super helpful, amazing feature. So just use it. Well, you can change the color, etc. Now let's go to settings. Well, you can add custom CSS to your widget. This is something you can use as you want. You can change the format of the button, the shape. You can remove the text. You can have just the icon. You can add shadows. We will add a link in the comments to how to customize CSS, but you have plenty of options just there. And here you have a new option that is called type and chat. That means you can capture the message from the user and send that to one agent. This is going to work here. Let me just make a demo for you. So as you can see, let's reload this page, 1 second. So you go here, you pop up, and now you have this sentence, no? This block here. And it's, hey, I'm Cesar, let's chat. This is very good because this is a call to action that is going to, make the user start to talk, no? Like, seems like I'm here, no? I'm live waiting for you. So now if you click here, you're going to jump to WhatsApp, and that's perfect. That's no problem. That's working. That's excellent. That's good. But if the user types here like, hi, I need more information, that content is going to jump to your WhatsApp content. So this is, I think I have the phone shut off. I have the phone. Not sure work. Okay, anyway, this is going to jump to WhatsApp, and you are going to capture the information. So super easy to set up, super convenient, and it's going to make the WhatsApp widget a bit more chatty, a bit more like real time, a bit more like you are live, you are there waiting for the user to contact you, or no, because the agents are here, and this is good. You can have your picture, your photo. This is going to be very convenient, but this line is going to make the window a bit more real-time live experience, no real-time chat experience. So this is very good. This is something you should activate. Is settings, type and chat. This is something you can activate, deactivate. This is something that is, you have the control for free. You can use it, and that's it. And well, shortcode, this is something that if you need to create a link for your WhatsApp, you can do it here, very easy. And GDPR, this is very important because you should ask a consent from the user. We think this is something that you should do. You should enable, and you should have the privacy policy in your website, and just add the link here. So, well, finally, we think this is also very important, and you need to have here the link to, you have here all the information about the usage of your widget. This is very important because this is going to help you understand and analyze the data from the users. You have the referral page, where users are contacting you more often. So this is very important. The message, what they use to contact you. The agent number, if you have a bunch of agents, you can track who is the most busy or who is using the content more often. And if in your website you have a user registration, you can see who is contacting you. Okay, so we think this is an amazing update. You have everything for free. You just can go to your website. Let's go to plugins. Let's find for the plugin. Well, oops. Let's go here. Oops, sorry. Let's go to add new. Let's go to chat.p or to chat. I think to chat is enough. I think yes. If you go to chat, that's where we are. Please give us a chance. Try to use it and send us your comments, and we'll be happy to help you. If you need help, assistance, anything, just contact us. We'll be happy to help you. Remember, everything for free. So this is an amazing plugin. You just need to install and use. That's it. There is no need to add extra features, extra things for to pay. Everything is included. Everything is in the widget, and you can use it. Thank you.